In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can calculate percentage increase in Microsoft Excel. For this, you need some data. We have some demo data which indicates the previous month sales and this month sales of different products. Now we are going to calculate how much sale increase from previous month. For this, we just need to enter equal then this month sales minus previous month sales. We are just going to input a bracket here, previous month sale, then just divided by previous month sales and click enter. And don't forget to convert it into percentage. Now you can see the total increase percentage. That means in this one 25% sale increase. Drag it to the last. Here you can see for the P2 product, here this month sale is decreased, which is 70%. This is how you can calculate increase percentage in Microsoft Excel easily. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.